get started on replacing this, we're going to come right underneath the front bumper. Typically, you're going to have a shield that's right under here. Ours obviously is missing, but once you go ahead and pull out the couple screws and a few push pins, you can access this area. After that, you're going to come right up underneath and you'll be able to access everything you need. I'm just going to use a pick. I'm going to come underneath this edge right here, pull down right there, and then right along the other side do the same thing. Now we'll draw this off of the fog lamp. Check your wiring. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion, it needs to be dealt with. This one looks great, so we'll set it aside. Now we can start removing the fog lamp from the bumper. Now the next thing we want to do is release a couple tabs. Right up in between here, there's going to be a couple push tabs. So if you just go ahead and get in between and twist, you can release the tab, and now I'll just pull the fog lamp away. You'll find 2 more tabs up along the top. You can do the same thing. For the top, it might be easier if you come from the outside. Just go ahead and push on that tab. Do the same for the other one. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to put in our brand new fog lamp. Just pay attention to where your little push tabs are. Right up along the top, you can see one there, one over here, and then along the bottom, you remember where those are as well. We'll come in from the inside, line it up with all the tabs, and then you can push it right in. There we are. Just double check it to ensure that it's secured. If you need to align it, here's your alignment point right here. So essentially you can turn it one way or the other, and that'll bring your beam up or down. With that said, let's continue on to hooking in our wiring. Give it a nice click and a nice tug. If you need to align it, now's the time to align it. After that, go ahead and put back up your splash shield.